I hope that this will be a moment of clarity sa lahat ng gustong maging Facebook ads or Facebook media buyer. Hindi lang Facebook ang target ng mga clients. Yes. Yes. Hindi lang Facebook. So one thing that I noticed is a lot of people wants to learn how to do Facebook media buying, Facebook ads, how to run this, how to run that. And then wala silang idea about digital marketing. And I'm like, you have to remember, hindi nyo ma-execute ng tama ang Facebook ads kung hindi nyo naiintindihan ang digital marketing space. Because your strategy ang bubuhay dun sa ads. So the way that you understand the buyer's journey, the way that you understand bakit bumili yung customer dito sa store na to at hindi sa amin. Diba? So this and more, we actually cover it at hindi lang Facebook ads. We actually have what we call PPC, media buying. PPC is actually a form of media buying wherein na-charge lang yung nagra-run ng ads kapag may nag-click and all that. And part of the training is understanding digital marketing, understanding buyer's journey, understanding how to create strategies and all that. 999 pesos lang siya at pagkatapos meron pa siyang 2 weeks na internship at tuturuan pa namin kayo kung paano mag-apply sa application book session tapos magkakaroon kayo ng final activity pagkatapos saka kayo magma-mock interview para ma-certify. If you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko pagkatapos i-click nyo itong link sa bio ko. It will then open this page. Pagkatapos makikita nyo na dyan lahat ng resources, may bayad, libre, lahat ng open classes, nandyan na guys. Pero, for this video, ang hahanapin nyo lang is open classes. Pagkatapos hanapin nyo 999 PPC Media Buying. Nasaan na yun? Ayan. Level 3 with internship na. Pag-click nyo yan, mabubuksan nyo na yung form, makikita nyo na kung saan ipapadala yung bayad, at makikita nyo na rin kung ano yung fill out nyo para makasali kayo sa next batch. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung click nyo. At kapag hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. Ilalagay ko sa mismong caption yung link to the form. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. I attended last weekend's training. Day 1 lang talaga pero na-drain yung utak ko because this is so juicy. Ang dami mong matututunan about running ads, Meta, and Google. And hopefully, magkaroon na rin, matap na rin. Pag kinaya, matap na rin yung TikTok. But anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!